Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Creating an Amazon account without a phone number is possible. Although Amazon strongly encourages users to provide one for security and verification purposes, but here is the easy steps to create an Amazon account without using a phone number. So let's get started. First thing first, open Amazon website in your any web browser. Then click on the account and list located at the top right corner of the page and select Start Here under the New Customer Sign Up section. Then simply fill out the registration form. You can see there is the email or phone number option available there, and in that box all you have to do is enter your email number except for the phone number. Now enter your name, enter a valid email address. This email will be used for the account verification and communication. Then create a strong password and re-enter it for confirmation. Then solve the CAPTCHA to confirm you are not a robot. Now the Amazon will send a verification code to the email address you provided. Go to your email inbox, find the email from Amazon and note the verification code and enter this verification code in the appropriate field on Amazon registration page. And simply click on the Create Your Amazon Account after entering the verification code. So here I am copying the verification code and simply paste it here, and after you continue with the process, then your Amazon account will be created by the help of email address. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.